Sometimes in magic shows you might want to drink, but how can you drink when you don't have a sink? Well, if you happen to have a KaZam magic drink bag, you can get any drink. Any drink that they have. You can have a fruit cherry or a blueberry pop. You can have a lime dairy with sprinkles on top. But I like KaZam drinks. I think they're the best. They're much better and wetter than all of the rest. So let's try some magic. Wiggle fingers and wink. And look in the bag. A wonderful drink. A KaZam orange it is. Or maybe it's not. It's a Zam orange flavor, and that's not so hot. Let's try again. Wiggle fingers and wink. And by magic, the orange changed to a KaZam type of drink. It's a KaZam Healthy Cola. It's really the best. It's much better and wetter than all of the rest. It's organic, delicious, and not full of goop. It's wetter and better than strawberry soup.
What about the bag?
The bag? What about the bag? Oh, no. The bag now is empty. We've taken our drink, so what could be in there? Nothing, I think. You see, the orange changed to cola, and we have that right here, so the bag must be empty. I think that is clear. So if you become thirsty and in need of a drink and there's nothing around, not even a sink, grab a KaZam Magic drink bag. You'll be happy, I think.